Listen carefully. Most people don't lose respect because they are weak. They lose respect because of the small things they ignore every day. The way they talk, the way they react, the way they allow others to treat them. And here is the truth nobody tells you. People don't respect what you say. They respect what you repeatedly show. So if you feel invisible, ignored, or not taken seriously, it's not your face. It's not your luck. It's your behavior patterns. And in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how respect is built step by step. The first rule is simple. If you cannot control yourself, people will not respect you. Not controlling emotions, not reacting instantly, not getting angry too fast, not begging for attention. A person who reacts to everything is seen as unstable, but a person who pauses, thinks, and responds calmly stands out. For example, two people get insulted. One explodes immediately, the other stays calm and speaks later with clarity. Who gets respect? Not the loud one, the controlled one. Self-control sends a silent message. I am not ruled by emotions. I am in control of myself. And people respect control. One of the fastest ways to lose respect is over-explaining. When you explain too much, you look unsure. When you justify everything, you look weak. Strong people don't over-talk. They say what they mean once. Example, weak behavior. I didn't do it because. Let me explain everything. Strong behavior. I didn't do it. That's it. People respect clarity, not confusion. Remember this. The more you try to convince everyone, the less they believe you. People test boundaries naturally. They joke too far. They interrupt you. They disrespect small things first. If you accept it, it grows. Respect is not given once. It is trained over time. A simple rule. If something feels wrong, say it early, not aggressively, not emotionally, calmly. Example, that doesn't work for me. I don't like that tone. Don't speak to me like that. Short, clear, controlled. You are not fighting. You are defining limits. And people respect limits. Before you even speak, people already judge you. Your posture, your eye contact, your walking speed, your silence. If you walk like you are unsure, people feel it. If you sit like you are nervous, people sense it. But when you move calmly, with confidence not arrogance, people automatically take you seriously. Respect is 70% non-verbal. That means, stand straight, speak slowly, don't rush your words, don't look desperate for approval. Presence is power. Chasing destroys respect. When you chase attention, approval, or friendship too much, people feel your neediness, and neediness lowers value. Instead, focus on your life, your growth, your goals. Let your actions speak. Funny truth. People respect what they have to earn access to, not what is always available. If you are always available, you become common. If you are focused and selective, you become valuable. Respect is not built in one moment. It is built through consistency. One strong day means nothing. One confident speech means nothing. One good action means nothing. But repeated behavior changes how people see you. If you are calm every day, if you are disciplined every day, if you are respectful every day, people start to adjust their behavior around you. Not because you forced them, but because your character became stable. And stable people are respected everywhere.